Welcome everybody to another video. This one we are going to make a delicious beef bhuna. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, correct me if I'm wrong. We start off frying our bay leaves, cardamoms and cinnamon sticks for about 1 minute. Add the onions and cook them until they're browned. Add your beef chunks, cook until browned again. Then salt and add your spices with the tomatoes. Cook for about 1 minute, being careful not to burn the spices. Once that's done, add your garlic and ginger. Mix it well together. Once it's all mixed and cooked nicely, add your water, bring it to the boil, and then reduce it to a simmer. Cook for about 40 minutes to 1 hour. Check your beef is nice and soft, and there we go. I hope you enjoy it.